Welcome to our retirement planning series. Today, let's explore one of the most popular retirement savings options in the United States. The 401k. Understanding this employer-sponsored retirement plan is crucial for building a secure financial future. A 401k is a tax-advantaged retirement savings plan offered by employers. It allows employees to contribute a portion of their salary directly from their paycheck before taxes are deducted. This means the money goes into your retirement account before the government takes out income tax, reducing your taxable income for the year. There are two standout features of 401k plans. First, pre-tax contributions help reduce your taxable income today, meaning you pay less in taxes now. Second, many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money added to your retirement savings just for participating in the plan. The contribution process is simple and automatic. As an employee, you choose what percentage of your salary to contribute. This amount is then automatically deducted from each paycheck and deposited into your 401k account, where it grows tax-deferred over time through investments. Employer matching is one of the most valuable benefits of a 401k. Many employers will match a percentage of what you contribute. A common formula is 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. This matching is free money that boosts your retirement savings significantly. Let's look at a real example. If you earn $50,000 annually and contribute 6%, that's $3,000 per year. With a 50% match up to 6%, your employer adds $1,500. Your total annual contribution becomes $4,500, with $1,500 being completely free from your employer. The IRS sets annual limits on how much you can contribute. For those under age 50, the limit is $23,000 per year. If you're 50 or older, you can contribute up to $30,500. Thanks to catch-up contributions that help those closer to retirement save more. Let's recap the essential points. Pre-tax contributions reduce your current taxable income, saving you money on taxes today. Employer matching provides free retirement savings that you shouldn't leave on the table. And finally, your investments grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the gains until you withdraw the money in retirement. Understanding these fundamentals puts you on the path to a more secure retirement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.